What's up everyone, it's Christian from RackNerd. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to restore your WordPress core files using cPanel's file manager. Now, why would you need to do this? Well, sometimes your WordPress core files can become corrupted or infected, maybe after a bad update, a malware attack, or accidental deletion. When this happens, your site might show strange errors or parts of it may stop working altogether. The good news is you can fix this simply by replacing your WordPress core files with fresh copies without touching your themes, plugins, or uploads. And this is one of the biggest advantages of hosting with RackNerd's cPanel shared hosting. With File Manager included, you can upload, edit, and restore your website files directly. No FTP software or complicated tools needed. If you're not already hosting with us, make sure to check out RackNerd.com. Our hosting plans make managing and repairing your site simple, secure, and reliable. Before we dive into the steps, let me also mention that in our recent tutorials, I've shown you how to replace single WordPress files, fix a broken htaccess file, and upload themes or plugins using File Manager. Today's guide builds on those skills, helping you repair your entire WordPress core in just a few minutes. All right, let's go ahead and get into the steps. First, go to wordpress.org and download the latest version of WordPress. Once it's downloaded, unzip the file on your computer. Inside, you'll see several folders and files, including wp-admin, wp-includes, and a bunch of core files like index.php and wp-login.php. Next, log into your cPanel account. Once you're inside, scroll down and open File Manager. From there, navigate to the folder where your WordPress site is installed. Usually it's going to be in the public_HTML directory, unless your site is in a subfolder. Now, before uploading anything, it's always a good idea to create a quick backup. You can do this by selecting all the files and folders in your WordPress directory and clicking compress to make a zip file backup. Once that's done, you are all good to go, and you now have a safe copy in case anything goes wrong. Next, click the Upload File button in the File Manager and upload all the files and folders from the unzipped WordPress package, except for two things. Do not upload the wp-content folder or the wp-config.php file. These two contain your website's themes, plugins, uploads, and database connection settings, so you don't want to overwrite those. Once the upload is complete, go back to File Manager and refresh the page. You'll see newly uploaded files. Select them all and choose Extract if needed. Then confirm that you want to overwrite the existing files. This process will replace all of your corrupt or missing WordPress core files with fresh, clean copies from wordpress.org. After extraction and overwriting, visit your website in the browser. In most cases, this will now load your site properly again. And that's it. You've successfully restored your WordPress core files using cPanel's File Manager. This quick method is one of the safest ways to fix corrupt WordPress installations without affecting your content, themes, or plugins. It's another great example of why RackNerd's cPanel hosting gives you so much flexibility and control. With File Manager, you can handle everything from troubleshooting and repairs to uploads and backups right inside your hosting account. So if you're still looking for reliable hosting with cPanel access, head over to RackNerd.com. And if this tutorial helped you, don't forget to subscribe to RackNerd TV for more easy step-by-step guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.